Hey guys, I'm going to talk about how to sell your home on social media. 5 tips. This is very important. I know people are trying to put their home on the market and try to sell, so I'm going to give you 5 tips how to get your home on the market to get the max amount of exposure and make a lot of money. Hi, my name is Deepo Phillips. This is your first time on my YouTube channel. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Each week I'm going to talk about buyer tips, could be seller tips, could be about the real estate market, could be anything real estate related. And all I ask in return is for you to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. The first tip, how to sell your home on social media, is Facebook. Facebook is a very, very big platform and everyone's on Facebook today. And the first thing we need to do if you want to sell your home on Facebook, what we need to do is create a photo album. You can make this on the side so you can upload your pictures into Facebook. So while we create this photo album, we want the best pictures of your home. And we want a high definition camera to make sure the pictures are very, very crystal clear. And when you take pictures of your home, you want to make sure that your home is in the best and top shape. Make sure that you declutter everything you need to take out of the property. And also, you want to make sure your home is staged correctly. Like when you open a catalog, everything looks very pretty. That's how we want your home to be, very, very pretty. You want your home to be in the top of best shape. So when you take all these pictures, you want to gather all these pictures, put them in a photo album, make sure your pictures are in chronicle order, because when we upload them, we want to make sure when people look through your pictures, it's like the front of the house and they're going through everything in the right order. And also, the cool thing about Facebook is that when you upload your pictures on Facebook, what we need to do is find a way to, boost it to the current audience. And Facebook has so many different ways how you to market your home on the current audience. You could boost your pictures. You could also put your pictures on Facebook Marketplace to market your home. And, this is a very good way for you as a seller to sell your home on social media is Facebook. The second tip to sell your home on social media is Instagram. Facebook owns Instagram. Instagram is a very big platform. The cool thing about Instagram, lots and lots of pictures. So if you want to put your home on Instagram, we want the 10 best photos on Instagram. And when you put your photo on Instagram, you want to make sure that you put the right hashtags. So let's say, for example, you live in, throwing a city out there like Darien. When you live in Darien, you want to make sure you have Darien tag for your hashtag. You can put Darien community, Darien neighborhoods. Could be, if Darien has a park, put Darien Park District. And you want to tag everything around your local community. And also you want to tag your state as well. So people who live in your state could know that your home is on sale in your home in Darien. So just make sure when you put your photos on Instagram to make sure you have the right hashtag so we could reach the general public so they could see that your home is on sale. The third tip how to sell your home on social media is YouTube. YouTube is a very, very big online platform today, and everyone's on YouTube. People like to watch videos or music or whatever, or how to do something. But YouTube is a great resource for you to sell your home. So if you use YouTube, just make sure when you're using YouTube that you could use your phone, or if you have a nice video camera, and when you record, make sure you go from the front of the house and go through the property. But the cool thing, now you're on camera or video, you could describe what features that you've done to your home. So when people watch your video, they could understand, oh, okay, this person did that or that. So YouTube is a great resource for you to sell your home on social media. The fourth tip how to sell your home on social media is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a business platform. This is where people go on to find a new job, how to build their business with other like-minded professionals. But also LinkedIn, you could put your home up there, because if you put your home on LinkedIn, you can upload all your pictures and you can put the right hashtags so people could find your home, and maybe that potential buyer who is looking for a new job, or that person who's in business for herself who wants to grow their network might see your home on LinkedIn, and they'll be like, this is a very interesting home or a beautiful home. So, and they can reach out to you and say, hey, I want to see your home, I want to buy your home, whatever. So LinkedIn's a great place for you to market your home on social media as well. The fifth tip how to sell your home on social media is Twitter. You can use Twitter to tweet, but also you could use Twitter to put your link where you have your pictures. So if you had it on Facebook or your YouTube video, if you want to share, or Instagram, Twitter is a great way you can put your stuff on Twitter, because I know people are on Twitter and millions and millions and millions of tweets throughout the day. But if you want to sell your home on social media, you can also put in Twitter. And with Twitter too, you can put certain hashtags that people follow or watch so they can see your home that you're trying to sell. So Twitter is a great way for you to sell your home on social media. Thanks again for watching my video. I've talked about 5 tips how to sell your home on social media. Social media today is so big and everyone's on social media, and some people might have all 5 accounts and some people might have 1 out of 5. But if you want to get max exposure to sell your home, you could use all 5 accounts to let the people know. And also make sure you put the right hashtags in any platform that you use so you could target the right audience. And thanks again. And all I ask in return is for you to like, subscribe, leave a comment below, and I will see you soon.